I'm super excited about it, and I think the longer I've spent here, the more excited I've become, because it stands for so much more than just a few girls going kayaking.
Yeah, it just really excited me and inspired me that this is something that these women want, and I had some skills to offer, and yeah, just the idea of going and getting in amongst another culture and sharing some skills that I know with them so that they can get better jobs or get the jobs that they want.
Hi, this is Santa Sapkota from Nepal, from Kathmandu Travel, and this is my first experience of kayaking on the river, and I'm so excited and ready to do it.
It's always been a big thing of mine to help women in kayaking. I know for me, getting started, it was really hard, and so I think just being here and just being able to show people that, you know, it's totally a viable industry is a cool thing.
This trip is an opportunity for me to see another culture and to see what another culture is like, to come and help out to make some change. So for me, it's about seeing what's out there and seeing if I can make a difference.